Hello, hi, it's Mama Rita here. Wanted to come to you with our daily act cards. Remember these? It's been a while. Today, the one that I picked out for myself, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to share this with everybody. So I wanted to come in here and share it with you. So often we are living in the past, or we're looking into the future and living in the future and never being present to where we are right now. So this one is actually called embodiment, and it says, as busy adults, it's easy for us to become detached from our body's sensations. Today, focus on increasing your awareness of your body. How often do we detach from our body, what our body is telling us? Our body is the first sign of dis-ease. When you have an emotional block, energy block, trauma stuck in your body, it creates imbalance, and dis-ease can definitely happen if it's ignored for too long. And the body screams, it's like an alarm going, hello, pay attention. So here it says, ask yourself, what is happening in my body? Like, what's happening? Close your eyes and just really go in to, being intimate with your body and saying, hey, what do you need right now? What do you need? What's missing? How are you feeling? When you have a pain, ask the pain, like, why am I feeling this pain? What is it telling me? What is it letting me know that I get to let go of? What is it that I need to bring forward in my life that I've been ignoring? And for me, I get to tell you, I had a severe hip pain and debilitating. After I had children, it just got worse and worse and worse. At first, I thought it was sciatica, like when I first had the issue. And then when I had kids, I was like, oh my God, this sciatica has gotten really bad. And MRIs, CAT scans, acupuncture, all those things, couldn't find a problem. And MRI, and my doctor said, hey, there's nothing wrong with you. I don't see anything. It's just stretch like you're doing, because there's nothing that I can do to support you in that. And so what happened, I was just sitting there like writhing in pain, crying. And then I asked it, like, why am I feeling, what is this pain? What caused this pain? And I got an impression that it was guilt and shame. And then I asked, what's the shame? What's the guilt? What am I still feeling guilty about? Because at that point, I thought I had really addressed the moments of guilt and shame. But there was still some lingering. And I realized that I hadn't fully forgiven myself for the guilt and shame of the things that I did or experienced in my childhood and in my young adulthood. And so what I did is that I sat there. I thought of every moment that I felt guilty and shame. And what happened was I cried it out as long as I felt that it was needed. And at the same time, I was forgiving that younger version of me and telling her it's okay, that I have her back, that she can let go and she can forgive herself now. And then I brought her into the future with me. I said, it's okay, I got you. You get to come with me now. You don't have to be stuck in this past anymore, in this pain and this hurt and the shame. And then in that moment, it was like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It's hard to remember. I felt a rush from my hip down to my toe. And in that moment, the pain dissipated. And that was 4 years ago, and it has not come back since. All because I took the time to ask my body. All because I got intimate with my body. So the question is, intimacy? It's not just in the bedroom, my friends. How are you going to be intimate with yourself today? Share in the comments.